In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix network status check failed error in Elden Ring. First thing, go to Google Chrome and check if there's a server issue. So type is Elden Ring down. You'll get websites like this. If it's down, then you'll see spikes. Then all you have to do is just wait a few minutes and it should be fixed on its own. If that's not the case, then type cmd, run as administrator, and here you're gonna write following commands. So type ipconfig/renew and press enter, and then ipconfig flush DNS, and lastly ipconfig/release. Once you do this, you can close this down. Now also I recommend to, when you run a game, don't run other softwares or games at the same time. So if you go click here, make sure you disable as many softwares and games as possible. If you don't use them, just disable them from here. You can also do it from here, task manager. If you see any games or softwares you're not using, just right click and then end task. This will save up CPU, and it will save up like some CPU usage which can be allocated to your game. If you go to details, you can do the same here. Right click and then end process tree for unnecessary softwares. And if you go to startup apps, you'll see apps that will automatically start every time you start your computer. So if you see any applications you don't need, you can just right click and then disable. So this one, for example, I can just right click and disable. And once you do this, this should fix the issue.